There are so many new beauty products being released all the time, so we gathered some of the most hyped from the last month to test for ourselves. I've been dying to try out this Freck Cheek Slime, mainly because of the name, and I've been obsessed with all kinds of liquid blushes lately. I'll admit, I went in too hot, I applied way too much too fast, and I think the sponge wasn't the best way to apply this. She was giving clown, so we did a take two. I used less and I went in with a brush and it worked out so much better. This stuff dries down super quickly, so I recommend doing one cheek at a time, but the color payoff is amazing. I don't think I like it very much as like a lip tint. It was kind of patchy and powdery feeling on the lips, but as a blush, I love it. This orange shade is so fun. I've seen these Glisten Split Cake Liners before, but I've never tried them out. They released this limited edition Rainbow Pride Liner, and 100% of the profits are going to LGBTQIA+ charities, which is incredible. This was kind of intimidating to use at first. I'm not great at like cool eyeliner looks, but this did make me want to experiment a little. The colors are so pigmented. The one that did give me a little bit of trouble was the yellow. I think I applied it with too much water and it got a little patchy, but I think I fixed it, and the liners dry down super quickly. I'm not gonna make a habit of featuring limited edition stuff, but this one felt too special to not include. Also, this is probably gonna last me forever, so I feel like it's totally worth it. I saw a TikTok of someone trying out this Charlotte Tilbury liner and it made their eyes look so gorgeous and sparkly, so I needed to try it. The black side worked fine, but this metallic gold side is what I'm obsessed with. It went on my waterline super smoothly, which hasn't really been my experience with other pencil liners. I have an unusually wet waterline, so no eyeliner ever sticks to it, but this one went on so easily. I feel like I can definitely see a bit of difference in the eye with the gold liner versus without it. It really does reflect the light right onto your eyes, so you have like these sparkly, beautiful Disney princess eyes. I think this is a new favorite for me. Skin tints are still going strong in beauty right now. This one is from Huda Beauty's new Glowish line. I thought that I wouldn't like this, but the second I blended it in, I was obsessed. This gives your skin the most amazing glow and looks like you have no foundation on at all. The glow isn't like the most natural looking sheen, but I still think it looked amazing. This is low coverage. It didn't cover up any of my dark spots super well, but it did a good job of evening out my skin tone. I do think this is pretty overpriced though. $37 for a skin tint, that just feels wrong. Phytosurgence is a new brand for me. I recently saw this blush balm on Instagram and it's supposed to be like skincare and makeup in one. It has meadow foam seed oil in it, which is supposed to be super moisturizing, and it also has kokum butter, which will soften the skin without clogging your pores. I was nervous about putting this on over my foundation, but it actually applied nicely. The texture is more moussey than balmy, which is interesting. It's super pigmented, so I didn't have to use too much. I think I messed up by going over the blush with a sponge because I removed a small patch of foundation when I did that. I think using a brush and just leaving it alone is probably the best way to work with this, but I still really like it. And this does dry down to a soft powdery finish.